Alright, progress on the GPZ 83, GPZ 1100. Got some tires, some Dunlops. Pretty good deal on eBay. That's the rear, this is the front. They're both the 440, the D440. So, pretty good new tires, Dunlop, good brand. So, been cleaning on the bike. And I haven't finished this part of the engine yet. I got a battery for it, and I noticed the charging system wasn't working, so I've been messing with that. Had to get that rectifier, and let me see if I can show you that. What is that seat latch thing? Well, so I just got it sitting in there, right there. Oh, come on, pull the seat off. So I got it sitting right here. I haven't mounted it yet, so I'm still running it to see if it's working. This is a new aftermarket one. It mounts on the bottom of the battery there, but just got it sitting right there to see if it's going to work. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Put the seat back on. Well, somehow it's on there. Huh. That's a struggle. There it goes. So there's the other side. Looks pretty good. And I was just washing it, scrubbing the brakes, cleaning everything. And I'm still scrubbing on this and sanding it and trying to get it cleaner. And just, you know, going through little things and scrubbing here and there. But that charging system took a lot of my time. I bought a used one, and so I had to wait for that to come in the mail. And while I was scrubbing on this, and then I started messing with that, and that one was doing the same thing. It was high voltage, you know, on the DC output. And so I had to return that one, and then I thought, well, I'm just going to spend the extra and get one of those cheap aftermarket ones and see how that works. So what I thought we'd do, see how it runs. Let me mount this on me. See if that'll stay there. And they're going to stay. Get this camera situated. This is a cold start. Volts. As you go for a ride, see what it does. And it's got some little ticking to it, and I think because I got this, they didn't have no 2050, and I got 1030, and I think I'm gonna go get some 2050 and put it in there. You can hear that kind of a ticking. The engine just has at idle, it just kind of ticks, you know. So it might be that oil is just too thin for it. But all I smell is the paint burning on there, baking. And ride's good, goes through all the gears. Let's see how hot it is. Where's that temp gun? Let's have a look. I was checking the temperature with this 150, not bad. Let's see this side. But it drives real good. That side's a little hotter. 168. 172 right there at the spark plug on that one. And then this one is 150, so that side run a little hotter. I don't know why. But just going through it. Got to fix this because I can't see it. And oh, one more thing I forgot to show you. This is what color I'm going to paint it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's the Rust-Oleum cherry red, and it's almost the same as this red. And I sprayed a little bit right there to see what it looks like. I don't know if that'll show up on camera, but it's a little bit happier looking red than this red's kind of dull. And so that's what I'm going to paint it with. Just clean it all up and get it all dents out and everything, and mist that on there, and then put a clear coat. I'm going to go ahead and be taking the wheels off to put those tires on, but I want to get this side of the engine painted. I'm still scrubbing on this. That's what I'm working on right now. I'm going to clean this some more, scrub that side of the engine some more, and get that done. Did see the little bracket for the battery mount on eBay. Somebody listed one, so I might try to snag one of those. So there's the battery. It's one of those AMG batteries. It's all in there and everything. And it seems like the rectifier is working so far. Just got to do some more tests on it. But what else? It's coming along. So, oh, chain. I'm thinking about getting a chain too. As you know, this chain is kind of rusted. I did clean it up some and put some oil on it. But I'm thinking about getting a chain. We'll see how that goes. But it's coming along. Still got to fix this because it looks horrible. I don't like the way that turned out. But if you notice in that last video, this tachometer was kind of blipping when I would rev it up. It was kind of going vroom, vroom, and that's because that rectifier was not good and it was messing with the electrical. And so now you see that this one's real smooth. It doesn't do that. You know, it revs good. Hopefully you can see that on video when I was driving. And then I'm going to start putting some Armor All, more Armor All on it, you know, just let it soak in there. Then I got to start working on that, and the body work, and blinkers, and cleaning and cleaning and cleaning and fixing and buying parts for it. But it runs real good. So yeah, I'm gonna get on this right now. Try to get this painted today, and then I can start buffing those two covers and get that all shined up and out of the way. And so that's what I'm gonna do now. So I guess we'll wrap this up here. So that's progress on the GPZ 1100. Looking pretty good. Not bad at all. Looks coming out nice. All right, I'm out.